Whether you're going for a trip with your friends, your family, or even a solo trip, there are some essentials that you must have with you. In this video, I'm going to be discussing some of these travel essentials that I always carry with me in my bag. In fact, I'm traveling to Europe really soon, so I thought this was the best time to share these tips with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First things first, you need to carry all your essential documents with you. This includes passport, driver's license, or any other identification IDs or documents. Also ensure that you have your visa if you're traveling abroad. Additionally, also keep these digitally stored somewhere in case of emergencies. Just an additional tip here, I have done this mistake, so letting you guys know, make sure if you're traveling abroad, your passport is not expiring within the coming 6 months. Next up, a dedicated travel wallet is what I love carrying. These are slightly bigger, so you can keep your cards, a little bit of cash, your travel insurance, and your passport is well in this. It's super handy. I'm gonna try and link something below for you guys if I find it. I'm not sure where I got this from, but yeah, this is a great essential to have. Next up is comfortable footwear. Ladies, this is so important because when you're traveling, you could be spending hours exploring the city, walking around the beach, or hiking in nature on some hills or something like that. And it's so important to have comfortable footwear to support you all day long. What I like to do is carry something versatile that I can pair with most of my outfits. I usually carry a pair of sneakers and a pair of flats whenever I'm traveling. I avoid carrying heels unless I absolutely have to attend a party or an event or something like that. Even then, I make sure that I carry a nude pair of heels or a transparent pair of heels that I can pair with all my outfits, so I'm saving space even though I'm carrying multiple footwear. Next up are toiletries, and packing the toiletries that you use on a regular basis I feel is very important, especially because if you're going to a new alien place, it is quite possible that you may not get your regular products. So things like your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and your face wash should be the ones that you always use. Talking about face washes, always make sure that you're carrying something that is very gentle on your skin and does not strip away of its natural moisture. Traveling can take a toll on your skin, especially if you're on long haul flights. It does become very drying for your face. Simple's refreshing facial foam is 100% soap free and it's actually very gentle on your skin. I love that it also has an exfoliating brush, so even when I'm traveling, I can gently exfoliate my skin whenever I want to. This is completely fragrance free and chemical free, just like their other Simple products, and I feel like this is great for traveling because, like I said, traveling can be very stressful for your face. You tend to break out, you tend to become too dry, and this Simple face wash can really help with that. And I also really like the texture of it. I'm going to link it down below for you guys in case you haven't tried this before, and trust me, you will like it. To save space when you're traveling, you can also pick up these mini toiletry bottles. I will link them down below for you guys. Ye to maine Miniso se liya tha, but there are many options on Amazon as well. Moving on to the next thing, and these are packing cubes. I discovered them last year when I was going to the US, and they are so useful. They help organize your suitcase really well. You can keep literally all your clothes and all your belongings inside these packing cubes and then place them in your suitcase. So even when you're traveling to multiple cities or hopping around, it's very easy to sort of unpack and pack again because of these packing cubes. Lots of them available on Amazon. I'm going to link all of them down below for you guys, especially these ones that I use. The quality is pretty decent. It's made of, I think, some polyester material or something like that, but the quality has been pretty good. I've been using it for almost a year now and I absolutely love it. Next up, what you need is a portable charger. I have the one from Belkin, which is actually a 10,000 power capacity, and I would recommend to get a capacity of 10,000 or above at least, which has multiple USB ports as well. In today's digital age, it's so important to have your devices charged up at all times because there might be an emergency at any point. So your phones, cameras, tablets, laptops, all of this needs to be charged up. And when you're traveling, you might be sightseeing all day long, or you might be on a really long duration flight and your devices may run out of charge. So this is super important to carry with you so you can juice up your devices on the go. Next travel essential is a universal adapter. This is a lifesaver, especially when you're traveling internationally. Try and buy these not from the airport because they usually sell it for much higher prices. So make sure you buy it beforehand and try and get one which has multiple multiple plug types for maximum convenience. This is going to ensure that your devices are always compatible wherever in the world that you go. So this is definitely a must-have travel essential, and I'm going to link a couple of them down below for you guys. Next up, a water bottle is extremely important to carry with you, and try carrying a reusable one with you which has a clip that you can use to just hang onto your bag so you don't have to carry it separately. You also get these collapsible water bottles that are very compact, and you can literally fold them up and put it in your smaller bags as well. This also helps you save a lot of money because you don't have to end up buying new water bottles every time you step out, and staying hydrated while you're traveling is so important. And the last travel essential is making sure you carry your medication if you're on any in a nice compact pouch. Along with that, also carry a first aid kit with some band-aids, maybe some allergy medicines and a pain reliever. And another really handy medication, it's not any medication but it's for dehydration, and it's called Electrol or ORS, which is oral rehydration salts. Always carry a bunch of them with you because you don't know when you're traveling or walking around so much. You may not have enough water or access to water and you may get dehydrated. So these will really help you with that. Plus also carry a period pouch just in case of any emergency. So these are some of my top travel essentials. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you think I missed anything or any essential that you always carry with you when you're traveling. These are going to make your travel super convenient, comfortable and enjoyable without any stress or panic. So that's it for today. Hope you found it helpful. You will find a couple of the product links in the description box to make your life easy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.